Hello everyone, my name is Luca and I am an astronomy and aeronautics student at Lick-Wilmerding High School. I am making this short video series to teach you about the universe, how it works, and ways that you can interact with it and experience it from home. In this first video, we will go over how to see the sky, what celestial sphere means, some basic vocab of stargazing, and a method to help measure the distances in the sky. First, let's talk about what we mean by the celestial sphere. Although this is a weird concept and a little bit difficult to grasp, the universe is constantly expanding, and it's ginormous, making it hard to map objects on it. Instead, when our viewing point is on Earth, like it usually is, we can use a celestial sphere to describe objects' locations in the sky. As you can see in this picture, if we see Earth in the center, the celestial sphere is almost like a bubble, and we're looking out from Earth at the bubble. Now, let's go over some vocabulary to help us visualize the sphere and to describe the objects that we see in it, like constellations. On Earth, we use longitude to plot a place's location to the east and to the west, and latitude to plot a place's location to the north and south. The Earth's equator, the imaginary line that wraps around the Earth's center, is at 0 degrees latitude, and the north and south poles are at 90 and negative 90 degrees, respectively. The prime meridian, which is the line, as you see in this image, that goes from the North Pole to the South Pole and passes through Greenwich, England, is at 0 degrees longitude. To the east and to the west of this line, you can travel 180 degrees around until you get to the point behind the prime meridian. The celestial sphere uses declination as its own form of latitude to measure things from the north to the south, and right ascension as its own form of longitude to measure things from the east to the west. Again, both of these are measured in degrees. An easy way to measure distances of objects in the celestial sphere is to use your hand. If you hold out your arm completely outstretched, your pinky should measure 1 degree of the sky. If you hold up 3 fingers, your 3 middle fingers, it should measure 5 degrees. Your closed fist outstretched is about 10 degrees. Your index finger and your pinky finger outstretched, the distance between that is 15 degrees. And then finally, your thumb and your pinky finger outstretched is 25 degrees. And 25 degrees is about the same distance as the Big Dipper is. So you can use that to help measure. And if you need to measure things greater than 25 degrees, you can use both hands. So you can add 5 degrees plus 25 degrees or whatever combination you need to make it work. Thank you all for watching this video. In our next video, we're going to talk about telescopes, the physics behind telescopes, the different types of telescopes, and even how to make an at-home telescope. Next time you are stargazing, try to use some of the methods that we learned today and some of the vocab to help explain the celestial sphere and the objects that you see within it. Thanks again. See you next time.